Hello, Miss Swing One here. Welcome back to the channel. Gonna try to make a short video today. Subject is pistol grip shifter and Mopar A body. And let's take a look at what we got going on here. Alright, so what we're looking at, what I have in the car, I just picked up an E-body pistol grip shifter. We'll take a close look at that. I'll adjust the lighting. Now, the interior isn't in the car. That's a ratty old Hurst boot, but I have a new one somewhere. This is like what I like to call a mock-up. Test fit everything, but not the finished product. That is an original Mopar Hurst shifter. It has, let's see if we can see. It has nice wood grain still on the plastic grips. It does have the nice, let's see if we can get a look at the, has the nice 4-speed quadrant on the top. I mean, it's an original piece out of an E-body. What I want to do today is we'll talk a little bit about what I know of the pistol grips, and feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. But that short shifter we're looking at there was the E-body shifter, Challenger CUDA. The pistol grip came on the scene for Mopar in 1970 in the B-bodies and E-bodies. 71, the B-body changed the fuselage design. So they have 4 different pistol grips. They have this E-body pistol grip here, which is the shortest one. They have a B-body console, B-body non-console, and they have the 71 to 74 B-body bench seat. There's 2 different styles. One's a bayonet style. It just drops right into the shifter with no bolts, and it has some kind of shim set up. And then, unlike these that have the 2 bolts, this is just a brief overview to help anybody that's interested in these shifters. I do recommend doing your own research, because I may be wrong. I go off the cuff sometimes and I get stuff mixed up. But what I intend to show today is that yes, you can drop an E-body pistol grip in your A-body bench seat car and it will work. You are limited to how far you can run the seat. So if you're like short, that shifter might hit the seat going into second and fourth. I have the seat right where it fits me, and the shifter just works fine, and I will demonstrate that at some point. The thing about this is I like Hurst shifted 4 speeds. I do have choices if I get tired of that pistol grip. I have my original Hurst shifter that came with the 70 Dart Swinger 340. I have another bench seat shifter is on a bit of a different angle, so the 70 shifter kind of sticks up, like it looks like a truck shifter when it's in the car. And like, you know, you go to third, if you forcibly go to third and your hand slips off, you might punch the radio, that kind of setup situation. That shifter with the white ball brings the ball a little back further away from the dash, and when you're in second and fourth, the ball curves right up over the seat, right where your thigh would be, which I kind of like that. I like being able to just reach down like where my knee is and the shifter's there. The original shifter, like I said, it's like a pickup truck shifter. I have nothing against that, but for speed shifting and whatnot, I do like the shorter throw, like that, the shorter stick, like that pistol grip. I'm not going to say it's a short throw, but it is just a shorter stick, basically bolted right to the transmission. So in other words, you know, even if that pistol grip was just a straight stick coming up with a white ball there, right where the base of the pistol is, I would like that. That'd be great. But that's personal preference. Yeah, I think I covered everything. The general consensus is if you go on the internet, you're going to see, if you have an A-body bench seat car, you're going to see people telling you to run the B-body bench seat shifter. And again, to me, that would get your pistol grip more upright and vertical, but it's going to be sticking up higher, like right up, you know, it's going to be right up, like right next to the steering wheel. So what I'm going for here with that short stick suits my preference. I'm not saying this is the way to go. This is what works for me. And I just want people to know that yes, you can bolt an E-body pistol grip into an A-body and it would work, but you're not going to be able to slide the seat all the way forward. You know, there's little stuff you got to give up to make it work. But for now, I'm going to mount the camera on a tripod. I'm going to get in the car and run through the gears and show you how it works. Okay, I'll run through the gears. We're in neutral. First, second, third, fourth. Reverse. That's how it works. Shifter's right at my kneecap. If you can reach down and scratch your knee. First, second, third, fourth. You can get a repop. They're a bit pricey. I paid a few dollars less for this original piece than what a repop goes for. But it's just nice. It's going to be nice when the car's done. It screams Mopar. People are going to look in and see it. It's just eye candy. It's really like, wow. But another thing is the ergonomics of it are like perfect. It's like holding a, if you ever held a 1911 A1 Colt 45 automatic, the handle on them handguns just feels good. And that's the way this shifter is. It's the way it was designed. It's first, second, third, fourth. Very nice. The ergonomics are there. I honestly, I'm going to get this car into fourth gear and it's going to stay there, like, because it's 391 rear. That's the way this car runs. When I had this on the road, it was, you could slow down, make a left turn, and not come out of fourth if you didn't want to. That's just the way the gearing is. But just a little FYI, an E-body shifter will work.